alive. We made it, but we have a casualty of war. Yes. Uh-oh. We're in trouble now.
I'll tell you what, you want to just follow me and I'm going to drop you back here.
Okay.
Follow me.
So we were gonna change a tire right there before we parked everything. And this old boy said, follow us. So we're gonna follow him in there. Yeah, so that guy just led us back here to the back. We're not registered because of course we didn't know for sure we were coming or not, because that's how we roll everywhere we go. So he brought us back here and he said, you know what, just unload them, come register in the morning, no big deal.
We last minute everything.
We last minute everything in our life. Now check this out. This was our casualty I was telling you about. Luckily it only had to go about a mile. Look at that. We killed a tire on the exit. On the exit we killed a tire. So don't touch it, it's hot.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch you. It'll poke you and it's hot. But we're here, man. We made it. That's all that's important. You done did good, sir.
I did good work. Can't be sorry like your That's a new way to carry a tire.
Yep.
Built-in handles.
Built-in handles right there.
Rest in peace tire.
Yep. R.I.P. that tire. Rest in pieces. How you like them apples? How you like me now? Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
No, Father. I don't want to go
I know, Father. Put your butt into it.
there.
Put your Dora Explorer purse down and get that son. C10 Nationals. Don't make fun of my hat.
I'm sporting the almost
yeah.
same one.
It's hot, man. It's hot. I had to get me a hat. We look good.
I wish I would have had one last weekend at the desert race.
Yeah, that ain't no joke. He went to a desert race last weekend and helped the recoveries. Yeah. Out there with trophy trucks and stuff in the middle of the desert, and he burned.
Took the old big Jeep out there and pulled him out of the stuck areas.
Yeah. So I actually burned really, really bad. So anyways, we're here at C10 Nationals, and it is a beautiful day. Rolling pool.
Randomly prizes over here.
What is that thing?
It's spin for a prize.
How much is that?
It's free.
It's free.
How do I do it?
We just do a small survey.
I knew it. No, I was checking.
There's always a cut.
She said I can spin now, right? We're good? Right? all signed up? Yeah, shut up. I didn't even see what was on there.
Ooh, your choice.
Choice of what?
We have coolers, koozies, WD-40 pens, keychains, screwdrivers, water bottle, towel, and shirt.
What is this?
A cooler.
Is that fanny pack?
It's a cooler.
It's a cooler?
It's a cooler.
It's a fanny pack.
Hey,
It looks like
take your beer with you.
I'll just take this.
Perfect. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
I'll get a keychain.
Your choice.
My choice.
What is it? What's it gonna be?
Let's go with just a towel.
Perfect.
Towel?
I know I don't have anything fancy enough to clean, but thank you.
We just helped this guy put his spring hinge back on. That's cool.
I'm not sure that I could have done that.
Oh, Muscles over there.
Yeah.
That would have been a rough one with
Muscles pulled it right into place.
Yeah,
there.
really. I'm up from San Diego. Thank you.
Oh, cool.
Put the air conditioning in it last year, and then I've got it's a 400 small block, 406.
Nice.
Bored out to a 406. Small cam because I love to go.
Yeah.
And then I I've got a 700 R4 that's been built, and then 373 gears in the rear with a Eaton Posi unit and Mosier axles, 12 bolt rear.
Nice.
That's it. And this is my thing on the patina. It's not done yet, but when it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and have it all glossed.
Oh, cool, cool.
So that red.
Yeah.
You look on the back wing, which I built there.
Oh yeah, pops.
Yeah, it just comes out. I sprayed a little can of gloss on it.
And you drove this from California?
Oh yeah.
How many hours did it take you?
I didn't go by hours.
Yeah.
I went by miles.
Yeah.
780 some odd miles.
Woo.
Yeah, but I took my time. I drove from San Diego to Mesquite, and then from Mesquite up to here.
Nice.
And,
That journey from there to Mesquite,
Oh,
that's a
a
rough one.
you know, it's because it's nothing.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah,
nothing.
yeah.
And you know, nobody knows what to call it. Some people call it, it's a rat rod, like my girlfriend calls it a rat rod. Other guys, the rat rod guys that I talk to, they won't send me any information on when their stuff is going, because it's not a rat rod.
Yeah.
That's what they call it. I get so many people. I've
I
got
love
the
that.
when I put the bumper back on,
Uh-huh.
I have a little a license plate that says that too.
Nice.
And it's only because so many people
Oh,
say,
yeah.
oh, you know, you need to do this, you need
So
to
many,
do that.
yeah, so many people tell me all the time, oh, I wouldn't have done it like that. I would have
Yeah.
did it like this. Well, go build you one.
Right. And it's not built for your approval.
Exactly, yeah. That's a good
You
sticker.
know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's
I need
what
one
it
of those
is.
stickers.
And you know, I went with the QA1 especially because everybody that I talked to that had airbags, they oh yeah, I want to go airbag, or you should go airbag.
They like them for like a month.
I said,
You know?
I said, okay, here's what I would like for you to do. I'll pay for the gas, but take me to the mountains where I drive, where I love to go, cut the corners and stuff like that. I says, if you can do that and prove to me that that airbag's gonna last and do that, then I might think a little more about it. And he took me around the block, and that was it. And so I said, okay, so you don't like your airbag as much, you come here, lower it down,
Yeah.
or whatever. So I put the QA1, and I'm not sad about that.
Nice,
at all.
nice.
This thing runs so nice with it.
That's cool.
So it's got a long way to go, but it's short. It's coming.
Right on,
I
man.
can start seeing the end of it.
Yeah, exactly. That's the best
Got it
part.
out and you're
Yeah, and it's
driving.
out and
Yeah.
driving. That's all. It's done to me.
That's the hard part.
Take
Getting
care.
it on the
Okay.
road.
Hey, it was nice meeting you, man.
All right. Appreciate that. I was wondering why it got so heavy all of a sudden. Go. Go gamble, do what you gotta do, look at it. I'm not gonna stand there and watch you gamble.
I didn't see this one yesterday. Cummins?
Cummings.
Heck yeah.
Yep, that's perfect.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
Pretty fresh.
So I really want one of these, and Aaron really wants one of those too.
Logan wants me.
Yeah.
Just like the roasted.
Sounds good.
So
You ever dynoed it?
I haven't.
No?
So I'm hoping for 500 at the wheels, but I'm probably gonna be a little disappointed. We'll find out.
It takes a lot to make that.
Yeah.
Your truck?
My truck, so 1982 Chevy C10, 454 in it. So it's a ground up restoration, pulled it out of a junkyard, and now it looks like this.
Now you're on the dyno.
Now I'm on the dyno.
What do you think it's gonna put down?
I hope 500, but it's probably gonna be like 450.
Yeah.
So,
Right on.
yeah.
It's gonna be awesome. It's a nice truck, man.
Thank you.
Really nice. 362 to the tire is actually not that bad.
No,
Man,
it's
that's
really
actually
not that
pretty
bad.
good. That's really good to the tire.
Especially with my tuning. So yeah, I was laying over at the top, but it looked more like a tune issue.
Actually
than a
looked,
cam issue.
as you rolled into it, it looked a little fat.
Yeah.
So the transition's a little.
Yep. So,
But that's all right. Looks good, man. Sounded good.
Yeah, I'm pulling 2 degrees up top just because I tuned it.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's still got a little lift in it.
Yeah.
Right on. Yeah, it's got like a big chrome springs and everything. Nothing bad.
Bro, I'm gonna check out you guys' YouTube channel. You're taking videos.
Right on, man.
Did you get the back?
What's that?
Did you get the back?
The back? Uh-uh.
The rear?
What do you guys do with this truck? Just
Sand drag?
yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, it's some sort of mud racer or something. I didn't. Damn. All chromed out.
All chromed out.
That thing's bad. Alright, so now we're gonna head over to the Autocross. Go watch some trucks run through the course. Oh, it'll be a good time. I've actually never watched an Autocross event, so this ought to be fun for me. What neutral signal switch? Yeah! Oh! Woo! That was a ballsy move down there. I didn't know if he was gonna get her stopped. That dude's cool. Hell yeah, that dude's cool. What do you think, man? Was that good? That was good. That was a good one, man.
I'm gonna be doing this all weekend. I'm here to burn fuel, man.
That's awesome, man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
If you go again, can I stick my camera on your truck?
Absolutely.
Sweet. Man, I appreciate that.
Hey, no
All the
problem.
fans will love that. That's cool, dude. What's your name?
Marcus.
Marcus? Nice to meet you, man.
You too.
I love your truck too, dude.
Thanks.
You pulled up there and I was like, yeah, that's my kind of dude right there.
I wonder if that's like a Corvette setup or something.
So next Tuesday or Wednesday is as soon as we can get to it. And you're probably, if it's just the fuel gauge, 150 bucks.
All right, so Aaron got bored and he's like, heck with it, man. I'm gonna put my truck on the dyno. He doesn't care what it makes. The truck's been 1360s, just the way it is, so I don't know. We'll see what it does.
What year was it?
76.
Nice.
So how are you doing?
Letting them do a couple pulls on it. Hurting my own feelings.
You'll be fine. It's just the truck.
It's a junkyard build. It's all good.
Yeah.
If it sees 300, I'll be impressed.
Yeah. Here we go. First dyno pull for Aaron's truck. Tell us the truth.
327 and 510.
327, 510? 510, hell yeah.
I'll take it.
510 foot-pounds of torque, 327 horsepower.
Good for you.
I know, I wasn't expecting that. 454.
Yeah.
So who's got the torque record?
I think for the gas motors is that.
Yeah!
See if we can hold out.
Yeah!
What RPM did you go on that one?
It'll only go to 5,400.
54.
He's got
Was
a
it still
6,000
pulling
chip.
after?
Yeah, was it
at
still
the
pulling or
chip,
did it lay over?
So,
That was good.
it had just laid over before it.
Oh, okay.
That's
So we're
perfect.
good.
That's perfect.
So you can see it's climbing real good, and then it kind of falls off on the top a little bit.
I should go throw my
4,600.
carburetor on it real quick.
Dude, I think a little more carb or something. I really like this thing.
Oh, I have another carburetor and we race it with it and it picks up a lot.
yeah.
more fuel
I'd say
with the screws.
4,600 something lays over right there. I don't know if it, what exactly is going on, but
You guys don't put AFRs on them, do you?
I have this set up for it. I don't usually run it. More just turning
just
cars
try
all
to do
day.
it, yeah.
Yeah.
It was dead fat. Yeah, it missed it a little bit as soon as he nailed it.
We're good. I'm happy.
No, it's cool, dude.
Like I said,
Let's not
anything
beat it
over
up.
300, I'm happy.
The 510 was surprising.
Yeah, I can't believe
That converter's doing its job. I was wondering about that.
it puts it to the ground.
480. I was
480.
like, I'll stab it just a hair earlier and at 500. I'm like, gosh.
Damn! Nice.
Liking it.
Right on. What do you think about that, Aaron?
That's awesome. I wouldn't have ever expected that out of that
kidding.
thing.
So he's gonna be back tomorrow with a bigger car in my progressive shop, about $3,000.
Yeah.
A 150 will be set.
Back in Tupelo in 1935, baby boy who'd rock the world, whose rhythm came alive. Here comes the king. Stand aside. Here comes the king. Here comes the king. Stand aside. Stand aside. His guitar in hand, breeze never get old. Here comes the king. Stand aside. Here comes the king. Here comes the king. Stand aside. Stand aside. With guitar in hand, up front in the band. Here comes the king.
What'd you find?
I didn't find anything.
Oh, look at these.
There's one with engines.
The ones in the case right there.
Anything you can't live without, Rob?
Right there.
That's my boy. Gasser. That's what I'm talking about.
Bower ones?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that camper's sick.
Did you see the insulation under the hood? Check it out.
That camper's so awesome.
It's not even a camper. Look inside. Hector.
That's bad.
That's way cool.
This I can drive probably.
Oh, cool.
I use our midnight pack on my
That's badass. Nice. That's pretty sweet.
Take it.
Awesome, man.
With a hole in it, right? And the back of it is solid with the hole in it. It blew out the, it's like paper thin.
There's more.
All this reproduction garbage.
That's really cool. That's really cool.
So bad. Thank you.
That's way cool, man.
Oh, you have a good day. How are you?
I need that one.
No blue.
Yeah, got some raffle going on.
Alright.
Pick a good one.
Alright. It's the one.
You read it.
Yeah. 5080020.
0020.
One.
0.
0020.
Got it right there?
Right there.
Yes!
Winner! Dang it.
Darn it.
Oh, darn it. We tried. So they were raffling off some frame rails. Frame rails right here on the ground. You can get the Blazer frame rails, the shorter ones, or you can get the higher set ones for laying your truck down on the ground.
If you would have bought them, you would have won.
What?
Because that was the set after the ones I bought.
Ah, shut up. Shut up. Brian wasn't even close.
Yeah. You got his before mine.
So what's it like to be losers, guys?
Story of my life.
Nothing new here.
Running on empty.
We'll see how this burnout contest stuff
Right.
goes.
Yeah.
I'm usually not too bad at those.
We're gonna kill it in the burnout.
Yeah. Pop 2 tires.
You have another big block, so just let her eat. I'd load it up on the converter like you were gonna launch it and just run through them gears.
Oh, that was the plan. I think it's full 30 this time. It's done it with bigger tires. But I haven't held it out that long either.